Welcome back to the IT class. So, in this session, we are going to start our fourth chapter. So, what about third chapter? We are skipping that because that is a game. Okay, game with the fractions. So, that we can do after the lockdown days. Okay, so chapter 4, touching up letters. What it means, touching up letters? Can we touch in letters? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible by the use of keyboard. Okay, so just press on the keyboard, then we can see the letters in the screen. Okay, so by the help of a software only we can see the letters in the screen. Which software? Yes, LibreOffice Writer. Are you familiar with LibreOffice Writer software? Yes, you have studied that in the 4th standard. Okay, so in this section we can just go through the basic parts of LibreOffice Writer. Shall we go? Okay.
Chapter 4, Touching up letters. Dear children, can you see an image here? Okay, then say, what is that image? Yes, there is a girl standing with her mother. So what is the name of that girl? Can you see in the first sentence? Yes, Varsha. So she came in the hospital with her mother. So what is she doing? Yes, she is looking in the notice that is pasted in the hospital. Okay, so that is something related to the hygienic habits. At that time, Varsha planned to paste anything related to hygienic habits in her classroom. Okay, so she want to type it in the computer and she want to paste it. Okay, so see here. What sentences can I have in the poster? By the help of this tree, you can make so many sentences. First sentence is that I wash my hands before and after I eat. I wash my hands before and after I eat. Okay. Now can you make another sentence from this tree? Yes, I cut nails once in a week. Okay, so write it there. I never eat uncovered food. Okay, then this hygienic habits. This is the heading of this notice. Okay, hygienic habits. So you have created 3 sentences and a heading from this tree. So you want to make the notice in the computer by using these 3 sentences and heading. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Look at the notice prepared by Varsha. See, this is the notice. Heading is hygienic habits and the first sentence is that I wash my hands before I eat. Okay. Then there are few blanks here, that is love you. Okay, you want to fill that. What are the features of this notice? Yes, see, the headline is thick. Okay, so it is turned into bold letters. Okay, the heading is in bold letters. Then we can make the heading italics. Okay, we can give the underline to it. Okay, then what else? Yes, the font is changed. There are lot of fonts in the softwares, so we can change the font into italics, bold, etc. Okay, then there is a space between each sentences. Listen here. Here one sentence is written. After that there is a space for another sentence. Okay, so there is a space given frequently for each sentences. That is called line spacing, that we can study detailedly. So right here, third one, the font changed into italics. Then fourth one, there is a space between each sentences. Okay. Now see, what are the steps to be followed to prepare such a notice using the computer? Okay. Now the next step is to prepare a notice by the help of computer. For that, we should need a space for typing letters. Okay. Then next step is that at that space we could type the words. Okay. Then what is the third step? Right there we want editing options. Okay, so right here as editing options are required. Okay. See, can you hear a box? What is the heading? LibreOffice Writer. Okay. Word processor software help us to compose articles, letters, notices, etc. So, you are familiar with the word processor software. What do you mean by word processor software? It is a software that will help us to make articles, then letters, notices, etc. Okay, so dear children, say with me, word processor software help us to compose articles, letters, notices, etc. Okay, so can you say any example for word processor software? Yes, LibreOffice Writer. Okay, LibreOffice Writer is a word processor software in the LibreOffice package, which means that if we go to applications, then we can go for Office. Then here you can see lot of LibreOffice packages. Okay, LibreOffice Base is there, LibreOffice Calc, LibreOffice Draw, LibreOffice Impress, LibreOffice Writer. So we can say that LibreOffice Writer is a word processor software in the LibreOffice package. Okay. Now let us open LibreOffice Writer. How can we open it? Applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. This is the LibreOffice window. I think you are familiar with that. Okay. So here you can see a black line that is blinking like a star. Okay. That is blinking. So what is that line? What is the name of that line? Yes, it is called cursor. What is that? Cursor. Okay. So, the vertical black line blinking in the word processor window is known as cursor. Okay. So, what is the specialty of this cursor? Yes, if you want to type anything, okay, then it will be displayed just after the cursor. Now I want to type anything here. See, the cursor is moving when we are typing the letters. Okay. Now I want to type in the next line. So we want to move the cursor like this by pressing the enter key. Okay. Then we can type here. Okay. So the cursor is a vertical black line blinking in the word processor software. The letters that we type appear where the cursor is. Okay. Is it clear, dear children? Okay, very good. In the textbook, you can see the keyboard. See, this is the keyboard. Did you see a keyboard like this? You saw the black keyboard, but this is very colorful, isn't it? Why it is so? Yes, each color represent each fingers. See, can you say by which finger you can type the letter F? Yes, by using the index finger of left hand. Okay, so you want to remember that each of the keys that is having corresponding fingers to be pressed. Okay, so how you all are pressing? You are using only one finger, isn't it? That is the wrong way. You want to use the right way to press the keyboard. Okay, so just examine the picture and you can see that so many colors. So here you can see the space bar key. This long rectangle is space. So by clicking the space bar key, you will get a space in the LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so for clicking that, we could use the thumb fingers of both left and right. Okay, we could either use left thumb or right thumb. Okay, then the blue color. By the right hand's index finger, which all keys you can press? Key N, M, H, J, Y, U, then the numbers 6 and 7. Okay, likewise you want to practice typing. Okay, my dear children, our next activity is 4.2 start typing. We can start typing at the next session. Till then, you want to stay at your home, stay safe, write the notes and send to me. Okay. Also, you want to make a poster related to hygienic habits in your notebook and send to me. Okay.